Guys, this is Ice Beach. Today I'm going to be showing you the same thing again. This is a beautiful place. I've never been here before. So let's check it out. Exit sign. It's actually cars down here. What does this say? It's a rock with something on it. I don't know what it says. And there's a lot of trees. Trees. It's a tree festival. There's a big area here. What is that thing over there? See it? This is the sea. I can see it. Beautiful. Let's continue. Big area, right? Another rock. Whose voices? Oh, I know. I heard that in message before. Oh, Australia. I see the Australian map. Wise the choice. Whose voices drift with the white mist, passing like the ghosts of ocean waves with the question mark. It's a question mark. It's another sea over there, just like that one we just passed. This is beautiful. Another seat I can sit on. Look how beautiful the view is. I'll really come here tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. Today's Friday, so basically I can't choose. So cool. Wow. I want to see what this is. Whoa. This is very cool. On picture, it's no color. What is this even meant to mean? That's okay. Let's go over here. I don't know what that says over there. It's a beautiful blue sky. As normal. Beautiful view. Love the view. I think I was just missing something there because I was confused. I think I see something out there. Education route of the education, whatever it is. Route education. I'm not reading all that. Animania. Picture coming or something? This is how beautiful it is. I feel like that is the same thing I just saw. What's down there? so big? Why are they so big? This is like the best. I'm in a circle. You see those big statue things over there? Yeah, those are the three sisters. Now we're going down to Korean, Hindi, no Japanese for some reason. Japanese people think Japanese and Chinese are the same language. Yeah, go yachting, yes. We are going down the drain. I got a fun thing. Bruh, I IDK what I'm saying. I'm sorry for that. Horrible. Okay. This is what our vision looks like. So many different, the same type of plants just spreading around here. Whee. I think we should go that way. Well, maybe I think that a bit. What is this, guys? Beautiful flowers. There's not even a lot of sunflowers, but it's still beautiful. You know, regular view. Where? Looks so cool. It's actually what from there? More plants. Look, it's so beautiful. What is this? I'm walking through some amazing stuff. Hey, that's where we were in the morning. Okay. Morning, beta. Sunflower. Look. We're finally here. My favorite place. Oh, wait. Water. It's beautiful. This is a place I was actually That's the same sign from up there. What does this say? Queen Elizabeth, look out. Her most gracious majesty wailed the Jameson Valley from the lookout during her visit on the 12th February 1954. 1954? It's super beautiful. Look at that view. Let me show you closer. Mind blowing. It's a clear sky. There's no clouds. Australia's a... Wait. Can you see it? Yep. That's very deep. It looks like there's like a symbol. That looks like the nuke symbol. Where's our friends? Okay, so I just realized that we're on the bottom level I was talking about earlier in the video. Baba, can we just go up there? To be more interesting. Hey, where's your friend? Oh, your friend is right there. This is my dad taking a picture of his friend. It's a beautiful view. I can't believe life is beautiful. Exit. I was late for school today. There's something actually happening. It's so beautiful today. You can see my shadow from here. Me holding the phone. Chick. Come, Dad. Whoa, this is so beautiful. Come, everybody. This is a very beautiful view. Flowers. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe to Sonic Speed Jam to see more beautiful clips and views. Bye. Oh my gosh, wait.